Today, we're going to review Fixate gel pads, which allows you to stick anything, anywhere. Not my words, their words. So, we're going to find out exactly just what these things can and can't do. Don't have a cup holder for your pop? Just go ahead, slap it on your head, and let's do this. Actually stuck.
This video is not sponsored. Now let's jump right to it and see what these pads can and can't do. First off, I couldn't find what they were made of. However, they are 100% recyclable, 3.5 inches in diameter, and cost $11 for 10 pads. Fixate claims you can stick anything, anywhere, but is that really true? I placed a few items on my wall, including my family portrait. Yes, dog, cat, and 2 chickens included. A glass of water, and to top it off, my very heavy laptop, since I don't have an iPad. The glass of water and laptop lasted 2 minutes. I gave the laptop one more go and added a second pad to see if it would hold longer. 5 minutes later, my family pick fell. Next, the laptop at just under 11 minutes. 7 hours later, my phone and only one of the 4 pens made it. And honestly, that phone could have stayed on for a while. It was really stuck. Let's try some more stuff. Messy bathroom? Well, now you can organize it. Well, for about 2 minutes before it falls off. Ever lose a remote? Silly idea, I know. And 1 minute later, it too fell off. My personal fave has got to be the kitchen use. As long as you have a flat and large surface area, almost anything will stay. And if something doesn't stick, you can always add more pads. But honestly, the most practical use, at least for me anyways, is in the car, which works like a charm. Now time for earth test. Anything that's sticky is going to attract dust. Are your pads useless once this happens? Let's head back to the wall to see. This time I'll stick more practical items to find out. But what if your Fixate gel pad got so nastified it would barely stick anywhere, let alone hold anything? Here's what sold me on Fixate. These pads are washable. Just rinse under warm or cold water and let air dry. Now that it's dry, I'll add it to the rest of the items and start the clock. 19 and a half hours later, a few pens have fallen off. Everything else stuck, and stuck real good. Now for fun and because I'm a curious guy, let's see how strong they are. You are also able to customize any pad to fit whatever project you have. Well, since I'm standing by the freezer, let's throw them in to find out if you could use them outside in the dead of winter. A couple hours later, I almost couldn't get it off. Cold had no effect on them, so let's pop over to wind test. Now I made a video on the famous non-tipping Mighty Mug a few days ago, placing it in the same spot. It tipped over after I reached 40 miles per hour. Let's see if Fixate can top that. 75 miles per hour later and still standing. Now let's head back inside for fire test. Yes, I said inside. We know we can use them in the cold, but what about hot? Good to know if they will still work in your car in the heat of summer. Unfortunately, I was only able to get it up to 91 degrees, which just isn't hot enough for this guy. So let's head back outside for a proper fire test.
Boom, baby. And once you know it, no damage at all. Let's take it back inside, we'll wrap this thing up. Well guys, there you have it. My dog's feeling a little bit insecure at the moment. She's shaking. She's a little bit camera shy. Honestly, this is a fantastic product with a great value. On Amazon, $11. They'll send you out 2 packs. 5 come in each pack, so you get 10 of these for 11 bucks. I actually have an extra one here that I didn't use, so I'm gonna give this away to one of you guys. All you have to do to qualify for this is comment on this video. Again, say hi, make some sort of funny, awesome, cool comment. I don't care. A week from today, I'll announce the winner and get in contact with you, and we'll have one of these shipped out to you. Above all, thanks for watching. Click here to subscribe and check out my other videos. And share this one too. That'd be awesome. We'll see you next time.